Implementing 5S in manufacturing. Enhancing efficiency and productivity. The manufacturing industry is perpetually in pursuit of methods to boost efficiency, reduce waste, and improve quality. In this context, the 5S system emerges as a pivotal tool. Originating from Japan, 5S is a systematic approach designed to organize and manage the workplace. It stands on 5 pillars: sort, siri, set in order, seiten, shine, saizo, standardize, saiketsu, and sustain, shitsuke. This methodology enhances operational efficiency and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Here's a closer look at how 5S benefits the manufacturing sector and why organizations should consider 5S employee training. 1. Enhanced efficiency and productivity. Implementing 5S can significantly boost efficiency and productivity within manufacturing operations. Employees can perform their tasks more efficiently by organizing tools and materials systematically and ensuring that workspaces are clean and well maintained. This organization minimizes the time spent searching for tools or equipment, leading to a smoother workflow and increased productivity. 2. Improved safety. A clean and well-organized workplace is a safer workplace. The shine aspect of 5S emphasizes the importance of keeping the work environment clean, which can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries. Additionally, by ensuring that everything has its place and that walkways and emergency exits are clear, 5S helps in mitigating hazards that could lead to workplace accidents. 3. Higher quality products. 5S also plays a crucial role in improving product quality. A well-organized work environment reduces the chances of mistakes during the manufacturing process. Manufacturers can produce higher quality products by standardizing operations and maintaining equipment in optimal condition, reduce defects, and meet customer expectations more effectively. 4. Employee morale and engagement. A clean, organized, and well-maintained workplace can significantly improve employee morale and engagement. Employees are more likely to take pride in their work and feel a sense of ownership over their work environment when they implement and maintain 5S practices. This involvement can lead to increased job satisfaction and a stronger commitment to the company's objectives. 5. Cost reduction. By reducing waste, optimizing resource usage, and improving efficiency, 5S can lead to significant cost savings for manufacturing firms. Less time spent searching for tools and materials, reduced downtime due to equipment failure, and fewer defects contribute to lower operating costs. These savings can then be reinvested in the business to support growth and innovation. Why provide 5S training? Training employees in 5S is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that all employees understand the principles of 5S and how they can be applied to their work. This shared understanding is essential for successfully implementing and maintaining 5S practices. Secondly, 5S training can empower employees to identify opportunities for improvement in their work environment and processes. By engaging employees in this way, companies can foster a culture of continuous improvement that drives long-term success. Lastly, training equips employees with the skills and knowledge to maintain a safe and efficient workplace, which is essential for operational excellence and competitive advantage. The implementation of 5S in the manufacturing industry offers a pathway to enhanced efficiency, productivity, safety, and quality. It is not just a set of practices, but a culture that drives continuous improvement and operational excellence. By providing 5S training to employees, organizations can ensure the successful adoption of these practices and build a foundation for long-term success. Investing in 5S is an investment in the future of manufacturing, one that promises significant returns in terms of efficiency, quality, and employee satisfaction.